ETF market making can be a complex idea. You have many players and a few key moving parts that make it somewhat challenging to describe in detail to the average investor. But at BetaShares, we think we've cracked the code. Here's market making, simply put. Market making for ETFs can be explained using this soft drink analogy. Let's say I'm an average investor and I want to buy an ETF. I go to the share market and I buy units in a fund. Imagine that instead of the share market, it's a convenience store. And instead of ETFs, I'm buying cans of Coke. So I go to the convenience store to pick up 40 cans of Coke or 40 units. But sadly, there's only 10 on the shelf. In this instance, I call the cashier, who is the market maker in our analogy, and I say to the cashier, hey, I would like an additional 30 cans of Coke, please. The cashier then goes into the back of the store and is able to bring out 30 more cans. This is the way that buying ETF units usually happens on a day-to-day basis. Investors are buying from a market maker who has an inventory of units in the back that they can provide. Now, the next part of the market making arrangement comes when there aren't enough cans in the back of the store. In this instance, the convenience store has temporarily run out of soft drink. This can occur when there's very high demand for Coke. The problem is solved when the convenience store calls the producer, Coca-Cola, and asks for a delivery of more cans. Coca-Cola will then send more cans to the store to meet the new demand. In the same way, the market maker can call an ETF provider for more inventory in the fund. By placing an order to the ETF issuer for more units, it ensures ongoing liquidity in the market and demand is sated. This process is called ETF creation. The market makers operate as a middleman between the investor and the fund manager, BetaShares. ETF redemption works in the opposite direction, reducing the available number of units within a fund when demand for that fund declines. That's market making, simply put.